Hey subscriber, I'm Sean. This is a Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can install the solar motion activate light. So I'm gonna put that light right here inside that light, the little bitty light. So let's start it. The light is pretty easy. This is the light with the motion, and this is the solar. So we just has a wire, and we connect that wire right there. So let me take that old one off and we can put the new one. To install the light, so you have just to pull this part and slide this up. So we install this on the wall and just slide the light here. That's it. Okay, so we have to leave the light for 3 days in the off position. As you see here, is off. So you have to leave it for 3 days to solar get the enough charge for the battery. After 3 days, you can put that in the auto, and you can choose the 30 seconds, 60 and 120 seconds for the light to be on. I like the 60 second. For that, I always leave it on the M, so it's in middle. So that's the distance the motion sensor gonna affect. So leave that on the middle. I like to put it at the middle. Anyway, it's that easy. So after 3 days, I'm gonna turn it on. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will show you how to fix the problem around your home. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.